Hey guys, how you doing? It's me, Tim. Me and my son, Joe. We are at our local airport, waiting for a fireworks show to start. Aren't we, Joe?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's supposed to start at 10:30. We're just chilling and just waiting for it to happen. On this 4th of July. And got a good crowd here. Well, not that good, but got a mediocre crowd tonight. Here, if you can tell. Awesome crowd. Everybody just waiting for the fireworks show to happen. This is the second one that's going to be taking place. So you could, I don't know if y'all can tell, but that's somebody lighting fireworks off over in that direction, and right over there, and outside the area. And they got a carnival, that's Sturbeck's. I don't know if any of you heard of Sturbeck's. We got them in our town. Yeah, just waiting for the fireworks show to happen. There was supposed to have been a balloon launch tonight, but that didn't happen because of clouds that looked really rainy. So they didn't go up, though they was going to, but they had them on hold. But if you could tell, those clouds towards, you're looking towards the west. Yeah, they kind of looked like rain clouds earlier tonight, didn't they, Joe?
Yeah, they did.
Yeah, so that's why the balloons didn't go up. We got some more people over. Come on, I'm focused. I don't know why every YouTuber has that problem of things doing that on their cameras. Yeah, got some people lighting off fireworks there, and yeah, just chilling and waiting for the fireworks show to start. And I'll get it and I'll post it and let y'all check it out. But until then, everyone, y'all take care. Have a good one. And I'll be speaking to all of you soon out there.